Khetrigao Assembly Constituency MLA and Lining Tosnamahi Temple Board Vice President Norimbam Rameshwar stated that Meitei community can achieve greater progress with stronger local support. He stressed that citizens should extend even a fraction of the donations they make to outside religious places toward local bodies working to promote indigenous culture and faith. He made these remarks while speaking at the 245th monthly meet of Pukning Kundinnaba, Yaibilel Shakhangnaba. The event was organized by Ima Leishem Inat Loishang at Pantho Isahi Konung, Nongpok Chingutong Meitei Laikul in Sheloi Langmai Ching, Imphal East. During his address, Rameshwar praised the center for playing an indispensable role in preserving heritage. He noted that it actively imparts its traditional values, dress, cuisine, music, dance and martial arts like Thangta to the youth. Several cultural works produced under the Chief Minister's Artist Singiting Bang CM80 scheme were also released at the occasion. The MLA urged the public to collectively support such initiatives to illuminate Meitei heritage on the global stage.
Aku Meitei kita tamina pernah lagi ni. Accept sih pantau nanti kan Manipur lagi tamina betul. Kenapa Meitei punya? Ada pantau macam sama lakukan dari nasi Malaysia Meitei di pau betul. Aku kita persiapan ini sekolah ini apa ya? Aku isak ina lusung dalam macam sakut kehar ke deh. Pantau mundi masa zaman terkawal, manguan aku pun mangna. Mati pangba, sange. Mapalam tu macam mana ni? Bapa aku orang main bapa kami lagi ni. Tulis macam mana ni? Sana benda mula kita, siapa tahu ni? Aku kita intu napa hasil lagu tu kami lagi.